Hello, as we all know about series and sequence, today I, Samridhi Sharma, am here to talk about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is also known as arithmetic sequence, so to make things easier, we will call it AP. It is said to be an arithmetic progression if the difference is common and constant throughout the whole sequence. There are different types of sequences: finite, infinite, and arithmetic progression. So, to understand it more clearly, let's go on with the demonstration of the formulas. But before we go on to the formulas, there are some things that we should know. Like, the first term is denoted by A, and the common difference is denoted by D. Now let's move on. Now, this is the model of a AP. Over here, as I stated, the pink will represent the first term, which is A, and the blue will represent the common difference, which is D. Now, as we already know that the first term is A, we can see here the pink is the first term, meaning this is A. And over here, there is a second term. Over here, we can also see that there is another A, but the difference is that they have D. Now, we can see that the second term is one common difference higher than the first term, which means it is A plus D. And in the third term, there is also an A, but this time there's two D's. So basically that means that the third term has two differences higher than the first term and one difference higher than the second term, which would be A plus D, or A plus 2D. And in the fourth term, as we can see it go on, and we can count how many differences there are, 1, 2, 3, we can write it as A plus D plus D plus D, or A plus 3D. For the fifth term, looking at the pattern, we can state that it would be A plus 4D. Now, what if we don't know what term it is? Suppose it is nth term. So again, looking at the pattern, in the first term it is A. In the second term it's A plus D, or it's also known as A plus 1D. In the third term it is A plus 2D, and in the fourth term it is A plus 3D. Now looking at the whole pattern, we know that the first A over here the difference is lesser than that. So now we can say A plus n minus 1, looking in the pattern, D, which is the difference. So in the end, this proves the formula of the nth term for AP. Let's visualize the AP having common difference 1. Over here, 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. And that way, the common difference keeps on going, making a pattern. This is another example having the common difference 2. So over here, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and so on. You can also create some interesting patterns using AP. I hope you understood the video well. And if you did, please subscribe that button and turn that notification bell on, as well as like it. Thank you.